Welcome to Whispers. Wow. Wọ́n ti láti yẹ tí ó bá kú. Ó ṣì lè jàgbàdo. Ẹni tó ṣe tó dùn yàn lénìí. Lánàá, ó lè ṣe tó máa dùn mọ́ yàn lénìí. So, for once in their corrupt, greed-ridden life, this 10th Senate, àwọn náà mọ nǹkan tó bá dé. Who slapped if no? Ebola tá ń gbẹ́ ẹ létí. Ni wọ́n wá gbẹ́ ẹ létí gbàsgbòs. Gbàsgbàsgbòs. Ló wá lulẹ̀. Ìwọ náà ti lulẹ̀ báyìí. Kódà lílulẹ̀ ti tiẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn àgbáyé ni, kárí ayé ni. Olulẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà, olulẹ̀ ní Níjẹ̀. Olulẹ̀ l'Amẹ́ríkà, olulẹ̀ ní France. Olulẹ̀ all over the world. Gbogbo olówó fẹ́ popular ni o ti wá fọ́kúlà báyìí nísìn. Gbogbo àgbáyé ló máa sí illegitimate Hitler. Oh my God, wọ́n ní ká wẹ́ni tó lẹ́yìn ká fọmọ fún. Abuké Àbọ́lá Tinubu, ìwọ náà bọ́ta tó ń tẹ nǹkan náà kò ṣe tó ń tẹ nǹkan náà kò ní ọ̀pọ̀ mọ́. Wọ́n kà wọ́n. Wọn ò tí ì pé bíi tiẹ̀ wá ni. Àníṣe wo lórin ẹ ti kọrin? Ó ní Tinubu lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. Àkànbí lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. Olódòdẹ lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí ó Tinubu lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. Kò tí ì kàn yẹn. Kò tí ì kàn yẹn. Go back in line. Oh my God, wọ́n ti fi ẹ́ síbi, wọ́n ti fi ẹ́ sáàyè. Ọmọ lẹ́lẹ̀ bí èèyàn gbọ́ ọmọ lẹ́lẹ̀ sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì yóò jà bọ́. Torí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe máa ń sọ yí pé kẹ́ má mú àwọn ọmọ kò léníyàn, ọmọ ò níran. Money miss road. Ẹ má gbé wọn délé ọlá. Torí pé kí ni wọ́n á balẹ̀ ọlá jẹ́ ọmọ àìjọbẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ń jẹ́pọ sáyà. From nothing, you are nothing and you can't be anything other than nothing. Yours is a classic living example. From you're nothing, you're nobody. Honestly speaking, you're nobody. I want to be somebody. I want to be àfẹ́mí ẹgbẹ́ kìíní yìí wá èmi lókàn. Ìwọ lókàn ó ti fìdí jálẹ̀. Ó fìdí jálẹ̀ náà ni. Ó fìdí jálẹ̀ náà ni. Ẹ̀sìn ti kàn ẹ́ báyìí o. Ó wá ṣẹ̀ sí àgbáyé. Ó ṣẹ̀ sí lójú táyé. Ẹ̀sìn tó mọ olè tó máa ṣe náà ní òjò kún kékeré. Báyìí sí o ti di toothless dog before nǹkan. Toothless, backless dog. Blind, toothless, backless, deaf, crippled dog. Imagine. Ebo ni under your leadership in ECOWAS. Man, Senate was slap gbas. Wọ́n Senate fún ẹ ní fàṣẹ ọmọ yakata ni o. Èlé ṣe bí o sọ pé Buhari lulẹ̀. Ẹni lulẹ̀ ó sì lè dúró ẹ̀ kó dìde. Ìwọ ṣubú yakata ni. Ìjàpá tó ṣubú yakata. Imagine ìjàpá ṣubú yakata ó fall flat on his back. Ó wá ta ló máa wá gbé dìde? Kò sẹ́ni máa gbé ẹ dìde. disgrace sílẹ̀ international disgrace sílẹ̀ ó lè recover from it ìwọ tí health ẹ ò gbé under normal circumstances gan o máa tó kọ́ọ́lù o máa tó lọ ṣe wọ́n máa tó lọ pààrọ̀ ọ́ìlì fún ẹ́ńjìnì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ́ńjìnì ó ti fẹ́ máa ṣe kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀ báyìí sẹ́nìtì fún ẹ̀ fàṣẹ ọmọ ojú ó ṣubú yakata rádaràda ó ṣàfẹ́ lẹ́gítímẹ́ẹ̀tì ìwọ máa lè ọmọ òníran ọmọ tẹ́nìkan ò bí wọn ò bí ẹ ò tún rẹ bí òun ní tàn rí ò kọ́tọ́ rí òwú wá rí ò tún ṣe é rí ilé ọlá ohun tó dá wọ̀lẹ̀ ilé ọlá wúwo náà ipò wúwo náà agbára wúwo náà wọ́n kà wọ́n pé wọ́n wá níwọ̀n ni ọmọ kò tiẹ̀ tí kàn ẹ́ kò lè ever kàn ẹ́ so jọ kó ṣì dá sọnù orí gẹ́mi ìwọ ló mọ bí tára ẹ máa kù sí ìwọ ló first lady lulẹ̀ first lady ṣubú yakata first son ṣubú yakata first daughter ṣubú yakata oh my god 001 002 003 004 wọ́n wá fún yín ní gbás wọ́n fún yín ní ìfàsẹ́ wọ́n ti láìka sẹ́ni tó takùn yín báyìí wo mọ́sùpùlù gbé ẹ̀ ní ó lè dìde ó ti ní stroke báyìí ṣíọ ìnàkí tí ó lè dèèyàn láéláé ìwọ non-entity you nobody you can never be you are nobody keep on dreaming you can't be somebody even with your borrowed robe with your emperor stolen robe you still nobody. Not you see your nobodiness is not locally now. It's multifaceted now. It's international. It's on the global level. You're nobody. Kò tí rọra dúró sí gẹ́rẹ́jẹ́. Well, all eyes on the judiciary o. Tí wọ́n bá bí judiciary dá kọ́ má jùdí dáadáa kọ́ má jù dáadáa. Báyìí sí everybody is now interested in our affairs. O ti lọ pè wọ́n wá. O ti lọ pè àwọn èrò òwòrán wá. Gbogbo ayé ti wá dójú jọ báyìí fún ẹ. Ẹ̀sìn eléyìí tó ṣe phase 1 ni o. Round 2 ń bọ̀. Round 2 ó ń bọ̀. So the Senate for once in their corrupt, greedy, self-serving, egocentric life. I think they did their job, not to the fullest, but at least serve the purpose. Only the Lansing call revert back to factory setting, but at least wọ́n ṣe lé. So kudos to them on this. So the headline reads: Nigerian senators in closed-door session tackle Akpabio rejects Tinubu's electricity cut-off military plan in Nigeria. Yorùbá Akpabio ń tiẹ̀ rubber stamp lòun. Sórí wọn tiẹ̀ Tinubu wọ́n rán ẹ ó ṣe pé tó bá rán ni níṣẹ́ ẹrú àfitọ́mọjẹ ìwọ òfitọ́mọjẹ ìwọ òfitọ́mọjẹ. So well done, Senate, well done, well done. So they held a closed session, and the majority of the senators are against the deployment of soldiers and even against the power supply cutoff as already announced by the Nigerian government. So this is the first part. The senators were still talking, speaking, and most of them, as in more yari, pátápátá against the deployment of soldiers. Pé kíni kí la gbé kí lẹ́jọ́ ọlọ́pàá ìwọ̀n tè pé abúni jẹ́ abúni. Abúni jẹ́ abúni. Kí ló tí ì fa? So ó tiẹ̀ tí ì lọ gbàṣẹ wọn ò tí ì fún wọn ní yọ̀ǹda tó ń lé fùrù kọ̀kọ̀ lórí asán lórí asán tó ewúrẹ́ rẹ tó ń fẹsẹ̀ halẹ̀ tó àṣàwọn tí ó fún wọn fàṣẹ àṣìwọ́n wà àṣàwọn tí ó slap wọn gbà báyìí àṣìwọ́n wà. Okay. Tactics Buhari ló fẹ́ lò. Buhari ti máa ṣe tán a kàn lọ gbé fún ọkọ rọba stamp ní bọ́tẹ́lẹ̀ ètò gbé wá ọmọ wọn ni kò dá padà. Ó mọ̀ pé mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ pé bó o ṣe bù gànjọ yẹn náà ni kò fi di. Ọmọ tẹ́nu ò bá ti ká aṣọ ò lè ká. Ọmọ tí wọ́n bá ti kàn lé ìwọ akọ́ ọgbà níwọ àwí ìgbọ̀ yẹn ìta máa kọ́ wálé. Wo memes coming tí rí nǹkan kan olórí ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan tí rí nǹkan kan àwọn tó fi ṣe yan nìyẹn ó rò pé wọ́n máa gọ̀ wọ́n á jẹ́ kó máa flex ọmọ flex ó fẹ́ fi wá cruise ó fẹ́ fi àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ ó fẹ́ fi wọ́n cruise torí kí wọ́n lè bá sọ pé yes ó lẹ́nu ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́ ìfàsẹ́ àti fọ́tí gbogbo ètí kúkú tí wọ́n kó fẹ́ ìwọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ yín tó wà lẹ́nu tó fi ṣe tátàǹtò tó bá lábúlúbúlúbla wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀dá sọnù kó wá tán bí yọkọlú kìràkìtà tán lẹ̀ o aláṣejù bómi lọ tí wọ́n bá sọ fún aláṣejù àtàkù kìràkìtà tán lẹ̀ o aláṣejù bómi lọ. Eléyìí òṣùbù yakata ni so wọ́n yarí wọ́n tún tọ́ sókè báyìí wọ́n fojú gbà pé kò sí ní tó jọ no wọ́n láwọn ò ní endorse the steps to take so far wọ́n reject gbogbo suggestions pátá báyìí ọ̀rẹ́ á máa kù tà ní o mọ̀ pé wọn náà ń lo wọn yẹn a ní wọn ò fẹ́ àkókò ìjòyè ó sọ jẹnu mi ò kánú lọ ìlú ò fẹ́ lóyè ẹni ọ̀hún tó kálù kí wá lè wá ṣe máa ṣe òjọba sórí sínú ilé president sínú ilé Ramsey first lady nínú kitchen first lady nínú kitchen ẹ̀pẹ̀lẹ́ ni kíni ọ̀hún kálukú lọ́ba nílé wọn kálukú ni president ni wọn kálukú ni first lady nínú ilé wọn kálukú ni first son first daughter kẹ́ kó ṣì dá sọnù ìyẹn kó ṣì bẹ̀rù dédé. And this is from Sahara, so it's an exclusive, so you can check out my website under expose. You have it there at my Italia Biamutita. So then they have the other headline that says that the other headline in which Akpabio confirmed Sahara reported story that senators agreed on non-military action in Niger Republic. Because now they were like, gbogbo àbá tó dá yẹn tó ti lo àbámọ̀dá àbátalágé bámọ́ tó bá dá báyìí lóríṣi òkè gbà kí ni nǹkan wọ́n bẹ yí dá sọnù wọ́n ní nínú ó fún tó fẹ́ tẹ̀ ní àṣà tí ó níyọ. Oh my God. Ó dẹ̀ wá fẹ́ kó gbogbo èèyàn sí yọ́ọ́yọ́ ó fẹ́ kó wọn sí yọ́ọ́yọ́ ó fẹ́ kó wọn sí ó dẹ̀kẹ̀ tí wàá dojú ẹ̀ ń sẹ́yìn. Oh God. So, Nigerian Senate to pass resolution ruling out military action in Niger Republic, says U.S. forces already have base in Francophone country. Absolutely. Common sense is not common. This thing is commonsensical. Kò ní any kini koko, straight to the point. The U.S. is there. The France is there. Kini wọ́n wò. What were they looking for the democratically, their so-called puppet government, democratically elected, to be toppled by the military? Kinowo, Amorin Kokoshesi, those are the ones, they are the ones getting their natural resources. They are the ones getting money from Niger. One ring Kokoshesi, what was up with Kiwo go while bail the cat. Ori. Ní wọ́n sọ pé kíní kankan mọ́ máa gọ̀ bí ògọ̀ kíní ó padà gọ̀ náà lọ ògo fẹ́nu ọ̀ra ògọ̀ nǹkan tó ibi tó yẹ kó gbọ́n sí ó gbọ́n síbẹ̀ ṣìyà tó bá dẹ̀ máa sọ ó smart yá ó gbọ́n ó gbọ́ tó sọ pé ìwọ nìkan kọ́ ló gbọ́n tó bá gbọ́ tó lẹ́nì kò gbọ́ ìwọ gan ni bàbá ńlá yálà yóò mú gọ̀ you just played out to be one. Oh dance man. Oh, dance, Goni. Money past glory is son. Oh, go shit that song. Go and be licking your wound. Go and be licking your wounds. So, let's find out what happened at the Senate today. So, come along with me. So, sources at the closed door executive session on Saturday told Sahara reporters that senators would also prevail on the Nigerian government to restore power to the neighboring country. Can you imagine? Ika buruku of course. Oru amokusheka nye. Tinubu amokusheka oru la sheka. Oh my God, to ba she lo soko ko ni farare lo ti ensa city dume. Tí ẹ ń sà sí ti dùn mẹ́tẹ́ ẹ lọ yọná tẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní yìnbọn tẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ọ́bì ń tọ́ The Nigerian Senate, after a closed session, has agreed to pass a resolution ruling out president Bola Tinubu's military action in Niger Republic over the coup in the country. Sources at the closed-door executive session on Saturday told Sahara reporters that the senators would also prevail on the Nigerian government to restore power to the neighboring country. Oríporí ẹ̀ ò pé alóde là ń ṣàgbà ilé kan. Ṣé Nàìjíríà níná ni? Ìwọ náà máa ń play God o. What is up with power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Power intoxicates. Mo rí ẹ tó jókòó sórí àgẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wá sí. Tó ń sọ ìwọ onígbà coup, ìwọ onígbà kìnnìkan, ìwọ onígbà terrorism. Meanwhile, they are terrorizing us in Nigeria. They are killing us. So ring kokososio. Kò sí electricity o. Kò sí electricity o. Fáwọn èèyàn ní náà. If there's electricity, there will be industrialization. Small-scale businesses will boom. People will be able to get things done. People are using petrol and diesel. You've removed oil subsidy. Petrol, now they can't even afford to buy petrol. Most people are out of businesses. Nothing is working ìyẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ ló kún ara ẹ bí oko etílé. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló kún ara ẹ bí arítẹnimọ̀wé àfàpá àdìbò tiẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló kún ara ẹ bí oko etílé. Ìyẹn kò ká ẹ lára. Ó lọ lọ́nu gbọ̀ngbọ̀n, ó lọ rọjú rọ̀gọ̀dọ̀ sí nǹkan tí ó kàn ẹ́. Má fi lọ̀ mí dá sí abojúgun lẹ́yìn etí. Abojúgun lẹ́yìn etí. Ṣé wọ́n dá sí tiwa ni àbí wọn mọ̀ tiwa? Ó ti lọ sọ títí wọ́n sì ó ti lọ gbẹ́nu sí tiwọn. Wá wá dúró ẹnu tó ń kún ẹ̀. Wò bẹ́nu ṣe ń kún ẹ̀. Wò bẹ́nu ṣe ń kún ẹ̀. Láì tí ìkú ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń jo ẹ náà. Ẹ̀yin ará Nìjẹ̀ Sàmúsángúdù yín láyé. Sàmúsángúdù yín láyé. Orúkọ tí ìyá àti bàbá ò fún ẹ tó fún rẹ Ebola. Ọ̀yà orí báyìí tímọ́tímọ́ ní ìwọ máa rí. Orúkọ yẹn ó máa àjẹgbọ́ àjẹtọ́. Wàá jẹ pẹ́ dáadáa. Kò sí ní tó dá kankan. Kò sí ní tó sunwọ̀n kankan lára ẹ. Ebola àrùn ṣíyẹ mo like treatment wọ́n sun ẹ́ láàyè láì tí kò wọ́n ti dáná sọ wọ́n ti ṣe ceremony fún kí ló wá ń sọ ṣíyẹ. Your attention seeker ni ẹ. Nǹkan tó fi rorò báyìí ní tó ti dàgbà bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ló mọ nǹkan tó máa dánwò ní kékeré. Ọlọ́run ló mọ nǹkan tó máa dánwò ní kékeré. No wonder tí lẹ́mi ṣe sọ pé I have seen political women are fighting for power. How can I describe my husband orí rẹ̀ mi kò rí nǹkan tó dáa sọ nípa ẹ̀ kò lè sọ nǹkan tó dáa báyìí. Kí ló mi bá how can I describe my husband? Kò sí pé my husband is loving, my husband is caring, my husband is this. Kò rí nǹkan tó dáa sọ. Ó ní láti caution rẹ̀ kó má lọ jábọ́ irú ọkọ láya. Ṣíyọ ẹ̀yin tínú yín ò dùn. Look happy. Kò sí chemistry láàrin yín. Ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀mí ní òun kaba. Ramsey ẹ̀mí ní òun kaba. Oní skáàfù pẹ́kí. Inú wọn dúdú lọ. Àwọn ìyá Holy Mary Mother of God. Pastor my ass. Pastor. Ṣíyọ. Ẹ ti ṣe ẹ̀sìn. Ẹ kẹ́sì yín sáhùn. Ẹ kó ṣe ẹ̀sìn yín ẹ kó sáhùn. Renewed hope. Renewed disgrace. Renewed gbàsgbòs. Èèyàn kíní kan kí tẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ máa jò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń gbàsgbòs the masses now. On the low key level. Wọ́n ti ṣe gbàsgbòs ti ìfẹ́ náà on the international global platform. All over the world, let it share sing. Nonsense. Sources at the closed door executive session on Saturday to Sahara reported that the senators would also prevail on the Nigerian government to restore power to the neighboring country. Sahara reporters claimed that the disregard Tinubu's military option. Some of the senators argued that the United States of America command already had a base in Niger Republic, and there was no need for Nigeria to deploy troops to please Americans and other Western countries. Shut up! Gbasgbos, stooge, errand boy, ọmọ orí, ọmọ ránṣẹ́, slave wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ fún ẹ. Oh my God, yeah, wọ́n kó fún Gbasgbos o. Tí ẹ máa bẹ o, yeah. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ló yàn wọ́n síbẹ̀. Oh, oh my God. It sits my belly. Ew, it sits my belly. Ẹ tún sọ, kí lẹ sọ, ẹ sọ pé, ẹ sọ pé, senators argued that the United States of America command already had a base in Niger Republic, and there was no need for Nigeria to deploy troops to please Americans and other Western countries. Ṣé o ti gbọ́? Wọ́n sọ pé torí kó dílé bá a gbọ́ ní wọ́n ṣe ń sọ létí ọmọ ó yá a lélẹ̀ ṣebí wọ́n ló jíṣẹ́ ó yá lọ jíṣẹ́ padà fún wọn. Oh, ìgbà tí yẹn this one is below the belt it's below the belt rumora. Sahara reporters earlier exclusively reported that an insider in the session confirmed that the senators were against both the deployment of soldiers and the power supply cutoff already implemented against Niger Republic by the Nigerian government. It was gathered that the Senate President, Godwill Boyceman Akpabio, appealed to the senators to give support to Tinubu's request had fallen on deaf ears so far at the session. It also reported that the Senate agreed to hold an extensive debate on the request by Tinubu, who is chairman of ECOWAS and Nigerian self-select following the military takeover in Niger Republic. Giving further updates at the executive session, a top source said senators are saying that our military is highly ill-equipped and not prepared to fight any war. They said that they have fragile peace in Nigeria and that Niger has the highest arms market in Africa. Benny! Excuse me. Kíni àwọn sójà yìí kíná ní tó fẹ́ fi tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi jà burata yìí ti empty everything lọ kíná fẹ́ fi jà kíná ní tó fẹ́ fi jà ìwọ̀nba field tí wọ́n ní wọ́n tún ṣojú yín báyìí náà tó ṣe ń kó fáwọn Boko Haram. So what are you saying? Orin yín pé no, take your flowers guys, take your flowers. Kíná tó sọ, they argued that Nigeria also has Boko Haram and banditry ravaging the country. They said that the government should focus on solving this menace than contemplating going to the war. Ṣé o gbọ́ báyìí? Alórí ẹ̀ ò pé guys take your flowers. Ṣé o gbọ́ báyìí sìn? Ṣé o gbọ́ báyìí sìn? Wọ́n tú ẹ̀ ní lifeline rẹ o. But life jacket náà ń jù sí ẹ̀yọ́ torí o ti ń drown báyìí. O ti ń drown in the sea of your disgrace. Life jacket náà ń tú ṣe bó wẹ̀. Go take it, but where man take after all advices to be given, not necessarily taken. Toro ní dín agenda títẹ tó ṣe fẹ́ lọ sí wọ́. Múra sí. We are going to have open session to pass a resolution that we condemn the coup, commend ECOWAS leaders, but military option is totally out of it. This is because of the harmonious relationship Nigeria and Niger Republic have enjoyed in the past, the source said. For electricity and power already cut off, it was agreed that delegation to present to President Tinubu to have a rethink. Without us mentioning it in our resolution, senators are saying that war is a no-go area because Americans have a base in Niger. And the same U.S. refused to sell Super Tucano jets. Oh my God. Anyway, all this word politics, whatever, there is give and take, is trade by barter, is a tit for tat. So, kawa Super America Tucano jets for yín. So, Castle America to Kano jets of Funny, and might consider going to war. Abby, yeah, but say, Johnny, she in the phone, yeah, beds of the same feather. unreliable lot. Kí náà sọ? USA refused to sell Super Tucano jets to Nigeria. Yet some people want us to go to war in order to please Americans and other Western countries, he added. It has been reported that Tinubu wrote a letter. Oh no. Sanction tí ẹ fẹ́ dé. Sanction tí ẹ ó ń bọ̀ wo. Sanction tí tẹ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ dé mọ́nú kúlà ni. Yọkọlú kò wá tọ́bí. Ó ti ṣe tẹ́. Yọkọlú kò wá tọ́bí. Ó ti ṣe tẹ́. Ó rò pé tactics tó lò nígbà tó sọ tó kọ South of the Blues subsidy ti lọ o. Gbogbo ìran subsidy ti lọ o. Subsidy ti lọ tó lulẹ̀ fún kò tí ì tàn lẹ̀ wọ́n sọ pé òun lọ ogun ṣé wọ́n jẹ́ bí bọ́dí náà ni àbí wọ́n jẹ́ bí ó jẹ́ bí tóógèètì o àbí wọ́n jẹ́ bí alphabeta tó wá sọ pé òun lọ wọ́ o ìwọ̀n mọ́ lọ́jà kò sí jàǹbẹ́ wọ́ kakí kó o dé fìlà gbé AK-47 after all tó sọ nínú kíní kan pé anybody tó bá lè cock a gun ó lè ṣe agriculture tó túmọ̀ sí pé o mọ̀ pa gun ó yá gbé AK-47 kó fi number 2 lé Rẹmi kó fi number 3 sí Mújì kó gbé number 4 tẹ̀lé ṣe yí ó yá àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà kó wọn ẹ ti di army now and as the president that you are lead ó bá ti lead Rẹ̀mí àtẹ̀lé Mújí àtẹ̀lé Ṣèyí àtẹ̀lé àwọn ọmọ wọ́n ṣe support kìnnú lọ bá wọn jà yóò ti gbọ́ òpònú ayérada àdàkìlàsà àdàgbàjẹ́ra òfún òjálé onílé fi bo tiẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìwọ torí pé òkọ tẹ ní bàjẹ́ òkọ tẹ ní títí tiẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́ oníkìtì tiẹ̀ ṣáà ti dà kó lè dá bó dá láàárọ̀ kò ní dá lọ́sàn-án bó dá lọ́sàn-án kò ní dá lálẹ́ àtàárọ̀ àtọ̀sán àtàlẹ́ kò sí èyí tó máa dá ń bẹ́ẹ̀. I am not cursing no. It's a natural thing. That is how it is. That is how it is. Oh, lè tajẹ̀rù pé kó ló máa wá gbowó òkúta. It's never done. It's never done. Ojú yọgbọ́ ilé tí ehoro. Can you imagine? Gbogbo owó náà kó yọ lára ẹ̀. Presidency kó yọ lára ẹ̀. Paru náà ni. Who looks scruffy. Even with that, she looks scruffy, no? Can you imagine? Ládùúrú òǹgbẹ ní glasses, kúrò ní glasses, ṣe bó ti mú sí àsọ̀rọ̀ kò sí. She looks scruffy, no? I mean, money means road. Money you gotten. So where they? Ẹ̀yin ọkọ ò ní balẹ̀ sẹ́yìn bó ní ẹ lọ fọkàn balẹ̀ ọkàn títí ẹ ó ti gbé odó mi bá ọkàn ò ní balẹ̀ wo you don dey run kìtìkìtì you don dey run kàtàkàtà iṣẹ́ kí ló fẹ́ lọ jẹ́ ọba rọni ní iṣẹ́ ojú ọba kú iṣẹ́ ọba ò ṣe má jẹ́ ojú ọba ò ṣe má iṣẹ́ kí ló fẹ́ lọ jẹ́ fún Macron ṣé o dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ò ní pẹ́ gbé ẹ lọ fún servicing wọ́n ní pé gbé ẹ lọ fún servicing Amẹ́ríkà tó ti rò pé o ti ká Amẹ́ríkà sínú pọ́kẹ̀tì ẹ̀ pé kìnnìkan ó jákulẹ̀ náà ni ó fìdí rẹmi ó ṣubú ní yakata ọ̀dọ̀ UK so guys I'm so happy for once in their miserable lives for once in their thieving, scheming, poly criminal lives. wọ́n ṣe the right one, wọ́n ṣe eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ó dáa, ẹ ṣe eléyìí dáa torí ẹ̀yin mọ̀ pé ọ̀run yá bọ̀, kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnìkan, gbogbo yín ẹ̀. Look at this Senate. Nobody wants to die. Àwọn senators wọn ti gbọ́wọ́. They name these people. They don't want die o. They don't want die. They never hear to say what they would then they buy a bulletproof car. Even if they buy a bulletproof car, then go buy bulletproof house. Then go buy skin proof. Hell, then go buy poison food proof. They no want tell you, they say I beg. All this money where you dey pay us, we want enjoy am. That is it. Orí yín pélélé. Àmọ́ serious gbogbo ìyá yín ó ń bẹ násùn nára. Ohun tí ó nà yín. So guys, that's the Senate for you. Nobody wants war. They want to enjoy their palliatives. They want to enjoy their bulletproof cars. And rightly so too. After all, Tinubu has paid. Tinubu, now you lost, so it's your loss because whether you like it or not, their salary, they're going to hear a lot now. Baga for their account. So, it's good like that. Everybody go eat breakfast. Tinubu just got served a hot. What is this one? Is it dinner now? This beating, Oh, this slap, Tinubu, you see in glasses, when they slap him like this, the thing just come out from your eye. In right eye move to the left one move to the right. I see this, so he don't go blind though. Then slap him, Tinubu don't go deaf. In neck don't move from right to the thing he don't do for one corner. No, this one na serious slap for that because he don't calculate. He don't calculate as street boy now, as street boy he don't calculate. Okay, if I do one like this, do one like that, they just bust his bubble because he knows the tribunal don't they shake. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is really good. So guys, on that note, until I come your way again, thanks for listening to me. Bye.